Hi guys, this is a bit of a shameless plug for my Patreon channel, but also a way to let you know about a heap of content that's now available over there. And you can have access to it for just a few dollars a month. As you probably know, most YouTube content creators try to raise a bit more money by making content specifically for their Patreon pages. And the most recent trip is a good example of why we need to do that to help cover some of the costs we have. The trip itself obviously costs money, but there's also some unexpected costs that pop up from time to time, and on this trip the main example was our laptop packing up partway through the trip. I've just had to fork out $1,800 to replace it, and I'll be paying that off for a few months to come. During the trip we ran a trip blog that's only available to our Patreons, and we post every day when we have signal. We intend to do that for every trip from now on, so that you can follow our adventures day by day. Other reasons you might like to join our Patreon supporters include behind the scenes videos, polls on things you would like to see us do, and a guarantee that I'll always do my best to answer any questions you might have. This video gives you just an idea of some of the content we already have on our Patreon page, and if you join up, you'll get instant access to all of it. I really appreciate the support everyone has given us over the years, and thank you all for coming here to watch what we get up to week by week. We have a heap of footage ready for editing, and I expect to keep rolling out a new video every Saturday for quite a few months yet. We have another trip planned shortly, and are just gearing up to take out the camping trailer with us for its first test trip. Initially it'll just be a couple of nights to make sure we've got everything in place and we're happy with how it's set up. But shortly after that, we'll be heading out on a longer trip. Where? We're not really sure yet, but hopefully it'll be somewhere along the south coast. So thanks again for your continued support, and I hope you'll enjoy the content that we keep putting out every Saturday morning. Cheers for now, I'll catch you later. See ya.